how easily one can trade and make profits with the help of technicals once again proven in the Asia and Europe session update. For gold, I had asked you to buy at 2047, expect 2050-52 as the first resistance. Precisely, gold reversed from the same zone. Likewise with crude oil, I had asked you to buy at 73.2, expect 73.6 and 74 levels. Precisely 74 achieved. Now what to expect with the US session from gold and crude oil? Is it the highs are done and can we expect a drop from the current levels, or is it again going to rise? What is going to be your strategy? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with crude oil. Watch till the end. Also, to support the effort, become the member of this channel. Press the subscribe button, press the join button beside the subscribe icon and support the effort. This channel membership comes with added benefits as well. Do become a channel member. Let's start. First, look at the hourly chart. See gold sharper drop here, consistent bearish candle, retracement. Now almost 50%. Just see the movement and almost 50% retracement, and now again trying to look downwards. This is certainly a bearish sign, but let's have a look. See also here the prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged towards the 50 period moving average and now looking downwards. Also one must note on the hourly charts there is a reversal sign. After the reversal, first bearish candle and second in making. Yes, it is trying to get the support from the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus only a selling entry I will recommend now is below 2040 levels. 2040 is going to be the first support level. As long as prices stays above 2040, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Also, another observation here is the stronger base it has created at 2030. What does this mean? See, the base is stronger than the peak here. It means it is again trying to retrace. It is not yet bearish and it can try to stay in this zone, which suggests that possibly it may not try to fall much beyond 2035 levels, 2036 levels, and it can bounce back, and thus do not treat this as bearish as well. Now let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic looking down, MACD has retraced, it is trying to converge, RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour, this is important, double top here, then first red candle and the second breakout here. Still I will say that it is trying to trade in this double top levels are always important here. With that double top we have seen this prices dropping. Also one must note that here is also a good support and here is a good support as well. So this zone is going to play an important role in deciding the movement for gold. Yes, below 2040 there will be certain bearishness. Also double bottom here is equally important. Now see what has happened. Prices were divergent from the moving average, and that is why we have seen it converging, and precisely it has got the resistance at the same. Now beyond 2052 it will try to move towards the 50 and 100 period moving average. So only buying entry above 2052, that is confirmed. Stochastic looking down, MACD. Now see, MACD has seen a sharp drop and now it is retracing here. It is trading with very little divergence. It is not yet completely bullish. It is not trading with full bullishness. It is almost trading flat. So be watchful, not showing much of the bullish intent here. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, the crossover here in the moving average is certainly a bearish sign. Prices are still a little bit divergent from the median of the Bollinger Bands and from the 20 period moving average. But look at the candle here. See, a vertical fall here suggests that the prices got the resistance and we have seen it reversing. A flat bottom suggests that the bearishness continued. Now it is trying to get the support here. This candle can be a longer candle here. Be careful. This candle can try to pull the prices here at 2040. Possibility is there. And in fact, it can take it further down. But as I said, now these levels are going to play a major role. And that is why 2028, 2032 zone is something you should be watchful of. As long as these levels are not taken, not breached, not broken, do not treat gold as bearish. What will happen? It can try to retrace from these levels and again rise. Possibilities there. Stochastic near to overbought levels. See, MACD is bearish here. It has tried to converge, but it has not yet crossed over. A crossover may bring bullishness, and that is why I say that consider that this is retracement and possibility of a reversal still exist. RSI at bottom and still staying flat. Coming to 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Moving averages crossed over here, bearish sign. This is after a long time, after almost a month, this crossover is observed here. This was the bullish cross, this is a bearish cross, and see, after the crossover it sustained here. Here also it can sustain, but let's watch out. Right now, if I look at, it is in the retracement mode, 4 bullish candle, and now it has started to reverse. Now again, see, once you see it staying above 2047.48, we can buy. But then, as I said, it is only about 2052 is where we can expect that the bullishness will be expected or seen here, because we know that it is still not bearish. As higher highs and higher lows are observed, it is still in this bullish channel. Thus, on the downside, as long as 2040-42 zone is respected, we are not going to treat gold as bearish here. Possibility of a reversal is still exists, but then what will happen here? See, the 20 and 50 period moving average sitting at 54.55. So it has got greater resistance, where 47, if you are buying, 50, 52, 54, 55, very nearby resistances. In fact, I will include 56 as well. So yes, these are nearby, but once it stays above this zone, that is, as long as 2056 is respected, beyond that there will be a giant leap towards 60-65. Is it possible for it to reverse from here? These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Right now, yes, I will still see this as a higher highs, higher lows. Stochastic rising. See, MACD has seen good bearish move. It is still trading with divergence. It is not converged or crossed over, and hence it can continue to diverge more from these levels. RSI comfortable. Now, see, both sides we have to look at. We have to observe both the ways on how a particular instrument is behaving and on how a particular candle is suggestive of. Now, coming to the daily charts, and before we come into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 3rd week of January. Dates are announced. Register yourself now itself. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies in order to become a profitable trader. Reach out to me via Telegram or email, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com, where you will find the details, and there also you will get economic calendar is there, where you get the live data releases. You have the chart section where advanced tools are available for you to analyze and get the details, and there is a community of traders, along with the facility that you can schedule a call with me. You can get an appointment with me, and we can discuss any of your consultations or guidance, whatever you want. Be it your existing trades or any futuristic prediction, we can do it. This consultation can be completely free if you are part of my webinar series. Do register for the weekly webinar series as well. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of the signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more. Now look at the daily charts. 4 to 5 red candles here. Prices were divergent from the 20 period here. It is converged here. It is just got into the support zone, median of the Bollinger Bands, giving it a support. 20 period moving average also giving it a resistance. Yes, these support levels are done. Prices have converged towards this. Also, if you notice on the daily charts, it is still very much confined within this. Now, after achieving these levels here, it appears that prices might reverse or retrace a little. Now, whether today is the day from where it can continue to rise, we have to wait for it to give a clear-cut confirmation. Right now, it is not giving a clear confirmation that it is going to reverse. But yes, throughout this day, we have seen prices taking the support from the 2040 levels, forming a little tail. It has seen a rise. Now, again, see, the day US session will now open, which will also bring volatility. News coming in from US will also bring volatility. And once the prices draws below 2040, which means that we can expect a round of red candle here. Possibilities there. But as we have seen, 2030 levels, 2028, 32 zone completely is a greater support. First support below 2040 will be observed at around 2035, 36, then 2028, 32, greater support here. Below 2028, any point of time, you will see it hitting 2020 levels here towards the 50 period moving average. Stochastic hitting the bottom. MACD, now see, MACD is divergent here, 2 red candles. It suggests that we can see a 3rd red candle and 4th red candle in making, and which is possibility that it can give you a greater fall if it stays below 20, 40, 20, 36 levels. RSI is comfortable. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2040 levels here and buy at 2047. But remember, again, I'm saying, if you are buying at 2047, prices can reverse from 2050-52 first resistance zone and 54-56 the second resistance zone. These two zones you should watch out more closely. Prices can reverse any point of time, and beyond 56 is where little bullishness will be confirmed. Then I will look forward to 60 and then 65 levels as the next targets. Beyond 65 is complete reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Crude oil on the early charts divide into two: symmetrical formation, rise, drop, rise. Preceding was a stronger rise, follow can be a stronger rise. Now what is happening right now? It is taking the support from 73. It is staying in this bullish channel. The high is now at 74.2, and beyond this I will look forward to 74.6 and 75 levels. Very clear. Also on the early chart, support is now seen at 73.4. In the today's update, in the Asia session update, I had mentioned very clearly that beyond 73.2 we can buy and expect it to rise a little. 73.6 and then 74 as the greater resistance. Now look at the moving averages are divergent, bullish, looking upwards. The stochastic has dropped. MACD, now see, this is important. MACD crossing over for a sell, and this crossover has come after a strong bullish momentum. It has seen the highs. It can possibly retrace a little on the downside. I will not say that it has turned bearish, but it can retrace a little on the downside. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the 2-hour. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, higher lows are consistently observed and lower highs are seen. Look at these three candles. There is a push from the upside. Price is not willing to stay bullish, and yes, it is not willing to stay bearish either. We know that 74 is certainly one number where we are going to look forward to maximum resistance here. Now, see, if it breaks below this zone, first 73.4, below 73.4, look for 73.2 and 73 levels. If these three levels are taken, then we can say that the prices will turn bearish. And then what will happen? It will try to move towards the 20-50 period moving average, that is 72.6, 72.7 levels. Very good support here, but it will not be treated as bearish. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading with divergence. It can converge a bit. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, support at 73. Then it has breached 73.4, 73.6 zone, and it is still yielding higher lows, higher highs. Now looking upwards, see, one swing candle, this can achieve further highs as well. Look forward to 74.2. That should provide a maximum resistance, and then 74.6. We have to wait for 74.6 to be taken on the upside. Beyond this, we can look forward to 75 and 76 levels as the next targets. The stochastic here has got overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It appears it has seen the peak, but it has lot much on the upside left. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, first of all, base is created here at 73, 73.2. One stronger bullish candle, but price has failed to keep bullish. With a smaller body, it has closed the candle. Yes, the complete movement is more, and the body size is less than, in fact, 40% of the complete move. We have to wait for it to break below 73.4, 73.3 zone in order to confirm a movement which can take the prices on the downside. How far? See, ideally it has to break below 73 and 73.2 zone, only below which we can say that it is reversing, and it can drop a little. Remember, there is a data coming in. Inventory data from US may bring volatility, and thus you have to be careful and cautious here. It can, in fact, now also one must note that below 73, 72.9 zone is where further bearishness will be seen towards 72.6, 72.4 zone, and then 72 levels. In fact, then also I will not treat this as bearish. Now observe this. Divide this into two: symmetrical formation, drop here, rise here. Opposite formation here. What preceded it here is a rise. Now what can follow is something you should watch out for. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, preceding two candles, lower highs, lower lows here, and this candle opened flat, continued to stay bullish here. Higher highs are still yet to be achieved. What I say higher highs is, just connect this, you will find 74.5, 74.6 as the next targets. Yes, it can continue to stay bullish. It can continue to rise from the current levels. We can buy here at 74, 74.2 zone. Somewhere here we can initiate a buying position and expect it to move towards 74.6, 75. Now 75 is the next targets Beyond this, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail. Stochastic is rising. Look at MACD. This is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. And RSI is flat with a modest bullish bias. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy oil to 73.8. Yes, you can buy if the lower prices stays above 73.8. We can initiate a buying position. Expect 74, 74.2. A very, very good resistance zone, beyond which you can expect 74.6, and then we can look forward to 75. 75 is going to be a good resistance level. Now certainly staying above 74 itself is a confirmation that the prices are staying bullish and we can look forward to more rise. Now yes, watch out for 74, 74.2 should provide a good resistance. Thus you have to keep a watch and put your stop losses at your entry prices. Once the prices moves above 74.2, we can expect a stronger rise here. On the downside, now you can sell here at 73.4, 73.3 zone and wait for it to break below 73. Now see, this is a little riskier. As long as 73, 72.8 zone is not taken on the downside, we will be very, very cautious and alert. It can bounce back. Thus, if you're taking a selling position at 73.4, 73.2, just be watchful. Below 72.8 is where we can look forward to further drop towards 72.4, 72.5, and then towards 72 levels. As long as 72 is taken respected today, we can expect a reversal and a recovery. Thus, do not treat it as bearish as long as 72 is respected. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series and the other services. Visit the platform forexwonder.com and do join the free Telegram channel for latest updates. Do not miss this. Do be part of the free Telegram channel. You can also connect with me directly one-to-one via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Thank you.